Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will tell you about MIS Executive Career. MIS stands for Management Information System. So a person who is working on Management Information System is definitely called as or known as the MIS Executive. What are the skills required to become an MIS executive? A person who is very good in Excel sheet or the spreadsheets, working on spreadsheet, maybe intermediate or an expert level, that person can definitely become an MIS executive. I will give you an example. Let us assume there is a shopping cart website or a company which has a shopping cart or e-commerce website. Through that they sell their goods or products all over pan India. Now all the goods, all the transactions will be definitely stored somewhere. If that is stored in an Excel sheet, this MIS executive, they will be working on the data, transactions, how many customers have bought in and where the goods are getting delivered. All those data will be stored. If it is stored in MS Excel, then definitely this MIS executive works on that. MIS executive work is not limited to only Excel sheet or MS Office, but they also work on lot of research part as well. If a company needs lot of research work, this MIS executive does the work. Now, what is the eligibility criteria or education qualification to become an MIS executive? Any graduate, BA, BCom, BSc, BTech, non-computer science graduates, anybody can become an MIS executive. I would also say if a person who has career gap, I mean to say 2 years or less than 5 years of career gap, they can definitely learn MS Office, become an expert in MS Excel and then apply in different job portals for MIS executive roles. MIS executive, MIS expert, MIS specialist, process specialist, process associates or MIS analyst. These are the different designations that are given to the same role. Basically they do the same work, only the designation changes from company to company. Which kind of companies has these kind of roles? I would say every company, even not only IT but also manufacturing or advertising, real estate, designing, hospitality, every industry definitely needs MIS executive in their office or in their team. So if you are a person who is very good in MS Office or MS Excel, you should definitely consider this job role. Once you start your career as an MIS executive, later after 1 year or 2 years, you can learn data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau and things like that. Slowly you can get into the data visualization or the data industry. You can learn Power BI, Tableau, get into data visualization, then the big data and artificial intelligence, machine learning, and you can get into the data industry. So that is how the roadmap can be planned. So think about this MIS executive career role. If you find this career is really good and you must try this career, then if you have any questions also, you can put down your question in the comment section of this video. If you like this video, the content of this video, please click the like button. Only video viewers, please subscribe. I need your subscriptions. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. I'm also active on my Telegram channel. I have a Telegram channel, very active members in the Telegram channel. My Telegram channel name, my Telegram group name is Pashams. I will give the link in the description of this video so you can join our Telegram group as well. Thank you so much. Namaste.